The breasts are great. They're actually fantastic, but the thighs deserve all the love. So today we're gonna make some chicken thighs and we're gonna turn them into sandwiches. I'm hungry, I hope you are too. Let's cook. Cheers.
Run that shit back, bro!
We're gonna start with this chicken marinade. Just gonna give these a light pat dry. About a half cup of Greek yogurt. A few tablespoons of olive oil. I have this roasted garlic sabik. I have a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using a few tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using this roasted garlic from Sabika. Is it Sabika or Shabika? It's one of those. The juice of half a lemon. And today we're gonna be using this Blazing Star Barbecue Reaper Rub. Mix it up. Hey, let me know in the comments if anybody ever made you sound like this. This is gonna go into the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours and up to 24 hours. While the chicken is marinating, we're gonna make a quick coleslaw. We're gonna start with this Truff Mayo, Mike's Hot Honey, white vinegar, dry mustard, and salt. It's been about 4 hours now that this chicken has been marinating, and I've grown incredibly impatient. So it's time to set up the big green egg, get this on the skewer, and then get it on the grill. This is going on the big green egg, indirect at 350 degrees for about 90 minutes. What we're looking for is nice, crispy, charred edges, and of course an internal temperature of 165. But this is gonna be delicious. Let's get it on the edge. For the last 30 minutes of the cook, you wanna baste it with this Blazing Star Barbecue, spicy barbecue sauce. You know, cooking meat like this all stacked up after marinade, gotta be one of my favorite ways right now. Let's make some sandwiches. So this looks absolutely incredible, and there's only one thing left for us to do. We actually gotta eat this right here. And I gotta tell you, I'm excited. I got an extra one here if you'd like it. Barbecue chicken sandwich, Blazing Star Barbecue Reaper Rub, Mike's Hot Honey. Cheers. That is absolutely incredible. I mean, if it wasn't, you wouldn't be seeing this video right now. It's delicious. It's a party, and I like to party. I'm hungry, baby. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, share it with a friend, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. This is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys try it. I'm gonna go finish this. I'm out. Cheers.